Good morning.
Be ready. 2027.
And student, I was studying hospitality and catering management.
Yeah, tell us about today. What's happening today? Why are you here?
I'm here because I'm graduating. I'm finally a graduate. I'm here to come back next year again for my diploma. So I guess next year we'll see me with my full uniform on.
Yeah. Mama, what can you tell us?
First of all, university being as we have an opportunity to graduate or wait to take a little thing like that. Then I can tell you I graduated finally. Hallelujah, material that's the necessary bone, really was being a whole. An opportunity, a festive was up for qualify university, but she did it. Tell us about what did it, but never to my MOT.